A Life in the Days, Jimmy Anderson, cricketer 42, England leading Test wicket taker Anderson played 188 Test matches for his country, claiming 704 wickets. Born in Berlin, he turned professional in 2000. He made his first appearance for England in 2002, the year after his Lancashire debut. He continues to play for the country. Anderson was awarded an OBE in 2015. He is married to Danielle Lloyd, a former model. They live with their two daughters in Greater Manchester. I normally wake up at the routine of Jimmy Anderson. Today I discuss about in this editorial what is the routine of Jimmy Anderson. So here mention lots of things for his daily routine to morning to night, what he do done. I normally wake up at 6:45 a.m. and I would not have slept particularly well. I rarely do. I will drop off the girls at their bus stop for school at 7:15, then come back for breakfast, or more often I will go straight to Old Trafford where I play for Lancashire and have breakfast there. Weetabix or toast and coffee, and that all be me. Training start at 9 o'clock. Now I am in my 40s. I began with a massage. I need to wake up my hamstring up, then form 10. It's practice nets bowling until around midi. It's quite full on lots of training and traveling to games, but I like being busy. I enjoy the routine. I retired from international cricket last year, but not entirely willing. I had a meeting with the captain, coach, and the director of the England cricket team in April, and they said they wanted to move in a different direction and bring in some younger guys ahead of the Ashes. They kept me on in a team coach mentor capacity, but I felt I still had an itch to scratch and more cricket to play while my body was still able to. So I spoke to Lancashire and they got me on board. I will be honest, retirement was not in my head. I was still bowling as well as I had, and my body was in good shape. I was looking forward to the Ashes. All sports needs young people coming onto the scenes, but you have to balance that with age and experience. It's difficult. I had been told that as long as I was good enough to warrant a place in the team and fit enough, they had keep picking me, but then they changed their mind. I did see their point. I was not angry through my wife was probably still is, but then she always been my biggest supporter, my biggest help throughout my career. For me, age is just a number, and I don't see 42 as being old all at all. Yes, there are a few more gray hairs, but I still perform to high level, and while I do get injuries, I work hard at the gym to keep my body in a good place. Lunch is 12:30 or 1 p.m. and it will be pasta, chili and rice fuel for training. Then it's back to the gym. I will leave between 2 and 4 in the afternoons. I like to have an hour to myself, but that's not always possible. I have the kids to pick up, then I take them to after activities, and I like to come home and cook dinner for everyone at around 7. When you have kids who are fairly fussy eaters, cooking can be a challenge, but I like it's a therapeutic. My regular including steak and sweets, potato chips, pasta, bags, fajitas. I have been thinking about what to do when I eventually retire. I love the podcast. I am doing calendars with Grass Jams and the Maccabees, Qtaris, Flexis, White. It's great that Freddie Flintoff is now coaching England development squad. The Lions. He retired early at 32 and went into TV, but you can see that his interest in the game never stopped. This is the very good things about Jimmy Anderson. He's one of the best, most entertaining players England has ever produced, so it's a great for him to be able to use that level of knowledge. I have enjoyed dipping my toe in commentary and commentary, but I still have a lot of competitiveness in me that I need to French coaching seems to inevitable way forward. I do still love cricket evening. I like to watch sport on TV, football, darts, golf, any sport that's on really. It's helped me relax. I will go to a bed around 10:30, 11 p.m. but I would not get to sleep much before midnight. I need to watch something to send me off something like the US office, and I don't know if it is an age thing, but I have to get up at least twice at night to go to the toilet. I cannot remember the last time I had 7 hour state. I just find it hard to switch off. Interview by Nick Durand and Evening with Jamie Anderson tours the UK from September. Words of wisdom, best advice I was given. There's no such things as a stupid question. Advice I had give. Just be honest with yourself. What I wish I had know. There no such thing as perfection. That is Jimmy Anderson lifestyle and daily routine. So, guys, I assume I consider to you all follow this routine. So, thank you so much.